Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should confirm the tool version and license now. Pick the latest compatible patch so results match documentation. Once connected, plug the device into USB-C or Ethernet and make sure power is stable. Flaky power corrupts logs. Next, open the app, sign in with your credentials, and select the correct target ID. Load the default diagnostic profile so baseline tests run automatically. This gets you started and prevents simple mismatches from waste. Start the core diagnostics. Choose full scan for a broad view or a targeted test when you know the subsystem. As tests run, watch CPU, memory, and I/O metrics in real time so you see trends before they become spikes. Once a fault appears, collect logs with timestamps and capture a system snapshot to preserve state. Then apply filters to isolate error classes, flag recurrent faults, and export a concise report for later review or escalation. Apply the tool's recommended fixes or install a patch, and then rerun quick verification tests to confirm the problem is resolved. Save the session, add clear annotations about root cause and steps taken, and archive logs with version tags so you can reproduce the sequence later. If results fail, retry diagnostics in safe mode and verify connectors, drivers, and permissions. One bad cable or wrong driver often causes false negatives, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.